Hello students, I am shooting this video regarding subject choices. This is specially I am shooting it for class 10th moving to 11th standard. Now you are having lockdown time, schools are closed, so you all might be very confused. So I am giving you a broad view of different subject choices. 1. You have science stream, you have commerce stream, and you have humanities stream in our school. Now, in science stream, you have the option of physics, chemistry with mathematics, and you have another option physics, chemistry with biology. So, one is called max, that is called engineering group, and the with one with biology, and that is called medical group. Now, when you choose in 11th standard and then proceed to 12th standard, then once you complete 12th standard, you either write JEE main, which is joint engineering examination. That is the main examination. That you have to appear for it and get a good score to join in a good engineering college. Yeah, any good college you can join, and it all will be allotted by the government. They are all government seats. Okay, and the second choice is that you have to next appear for JEE advanced. And when you do JEE advanced, then you become eligible for IITs, right? Indian Institute of Technology. They are all very pioneering institutes, so that you can appear, but it's very difficult at that level. We need a lot of thorough preparation. That's one part. Second, what about the children who have taken biology? They can appear for NEET examination, and that is for medical stream. The number of medical colleges are less, so the competition is much more difficult. Not that when you do a science group, you should only become an engineer or doctor. You also have other options. You can choose microbiology in BSc graduation, biotechnology, BSc statistics, and you can teach mathematics. You can take so many options are there. That's not the end of everything engineering or medical. We have to just come out of that mindset. Okay. Now, second, when I come to commerce group, yes, you have business studies, and you have accountancy, and you have economics. They all are new subjects to you. So you need to put effort, and you go for BCom and MCom, or you can go for BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, and continue with the MBA. You can choose any college. For example, BA, because you are having economics as a subject, so you can do BA economics also, no problem. So that is one type of it, right? And you do that, you have another two options actually. What is the stream option for children taking commerce stream? You have one is called Chartered Accountant, CA. Number 2, ICWA. That is called cost and CWA, cost and work accounts. Okay, so that also ICW also you can perform. You can do. Again, they are also good. You can also do financial analysis. Yeah, there are different options are there. As a BCom graduate, you can proceed like that. Then I come to humanities section. In humanities section, you have history, political science, and economics. Again, economics becomes a common factor. History. So again, you can choose BA history, BA economics, or BA political science. You can do as a major, and you can proceed. For all of you, the next option for you is you can go for civil services examination. That is IAS, right? And then in IAS, there will be a general studies paper, and then you will have a subject paper where you will choose your subject. Many students who have taken humanities, Not that that is only weak students take humanities. Again, this is a wrong perception in our mind. Humanities section is also a wonderful option, because when you go for IAS, you can choose subject like history, world history, yes, and you can choose economics or political science. Yes, you can grow with that also, and it will give you a good footing for becoming a IAS officer or IPS, whatever the number, whatever the rank you get. So, at this point of time, you all are confused. Yes, should I do maths or should I do science? Also, should I do biology? Do not worry. What is your strength? You check it. Yes, I am good in mathematics. And then I will proceed with the mathematics. Not necessarily that only IIT or engineering is necessary. I can pursue any course with that. Or you are taking, for example, biology. Don't think only I should complete NEET, I should become a medical. No, many people don't become. No problem. You have again options, biotechnology, microbiology. So many options are coming up. With that, you have job opportunities also. And when you take, for example, commerce group, there also you have a lot of job opportunities and skill, BCom, MCom, yes. And again, humanities too, as I said, IAS options, everyone is having an IAS option. I don't want you to chase for only engineering and medical. I have seen students in my 35 years of experience, and 30 years I am dealing with 11th and 12th standard children. Many students think I should become an engineer or doctor. You remove that thought from your mind. There are other so many options are available. Okay, yeah, and you can do research also in many subjects. Yes, and you can progress with that. So don't keep in only one direction. Don't think in one direction, because in science group, physics is there, which is requires logical thinking ability, analytical ability, right? It has theory, derivation, as well as the numericals, conceptual questions. Chemistry too requires a lot of effort. So you have to choose, right? Am I able to, can I put that much effort? Can I get good marks, right? You need to put lot of effort. I will tell you a small example. Do not fear. 10th standard, 9th and 10th standard is more like you are at the bottom of a hill. Bottom of a hill. When you finish 10th standard, you start moving up. And this position, that is going to be 12th standard. That means the gap between 10th standard and 12th standard is large. Quantum jump. So what you learned until 10th standard is only just nothing. Basic. Then you learn lot of advanced level topic in 11th. Then you come from 11th and you move to 12th standard, and then you appear for examinations like IIT, whatever you want to write, you can appear. So, no subject or no stream is easy. Everywhere you need to put effort, hard work. See, you can only succeed if you put hard work, and then you persevere and you practice. Right practice you have to do. Yes, I agree. Now you are watching online courses and videos. Many things will be very confused, because we are used to face learning, classroom teaching. This model is very difficult for you, online model. So no problem. Do not worry. We have a lot of time. Yes, we have to take care of ourselves. That's most important. Dear students, many of you ask me the question, when will the school reopen? I want to tell you, in India, there is something called Delta Plus variant. The same coronavirus has taken a different form, and the medical virologist from England, America, and India, right? AIIMS chief Dr. Guleria, they all have warned. This is the time when third wave is going to begin. More or less in Mumbai, it has started. Delta variant, and I heard recently in Kanpur also cases have come, And this Delta variant is very, very, very dangerous for students who are below 20. So, children or the students who are all below 20, they are all going to be having more possibility for getting affected. So, we have to wait and watch. It is not easy. Yeah, you cannot just open the school and it's a very big problem. And children to be isolated is not an easy task. It's not easy. Okay, so do not worry about school opening or not opening. You need to take a basic admission, right? And after taking admission, continue with your learning process in this mode of online, right? And write the notes and everything. Yes, once the school reopens, when the government thinks that this is the correct time, yeah, now in Uttar Pradesh and many places in India, only first dose of vaccine is given. Now we need to take second dose of vaccine, then only we are much more protected. So what is the way to protect ourselves? So forget about now your studies and all that. Yes, how much you can do, you do it. I understand it is not possible. You will feel very confused. Yeah. So that don't worry about that so much. You can pick it up always. But take care of your health. One, keep 2 to 3 meters distance. And again I repeat, only solution is mask. Wear mask fully. Not like this, not like this. Yes, the whole purpose of mask is defeated if you don't wear the mask. Even with the Delta variant, they are saying we have to wear 2 masks. And our place is not having this problem. We don't have this issue. Let me pick up the other mask also I have one more mask with me. I use this mask also sometime. Yes, whenever I meet people, yeah, without mask, I don't. And I keep them all at a distance. Minimum, I'm keeping at least 6 feet distance. And whenever I touch something, I use the, sanitizer. Precaution is better than a cure. Yeah, precaution, that medicine and all are very, very, very long process. So, dear students, my only suggestion to you is take care of yourself. Your health is more important. And second, when you have any doubt about your subject choice or studies or anything, feel free to call me. I am available to you all the time. That is my duty as the principal of a school and as being an educationist, right? So I tell you, anytime you feel free to call me and discuss with me, right? Thank you so much. God bless you all.